A very good evening, all of you. This is Safras Aladdin. Today, I thought of sharing some of my own ideas about expressing ourselves. Actually, we are talking about the concept freedom. Almost everywhere we can listen or we can hear that the people are talking about freedom. Actually, talking or speaking or expressing ourselves using our own language, our own words, is also a sort of freedom. So we all have to be free, we all have to be very independent in expressing ourselves. Here, in this thought, I thought of talking about using a particular language for our way of expression. There are people who talk different languages, and nobody can insist anybody to use this particular language because everybody has freedom. Everybody has a preference to select whatever the language they like. So that is their freedom. We cannot, put our nose into that. So here I would like to mention some more that I am very fortunate to get educated in Sliet, Anuradhapura, as a student of High National Diploma in English. I'm really very lucky to have a very good lecture panel there. Actually, I have to mention here Nilanthi Disanayaka madam, Tarangana Vijayaratna madam, Jasmine Jayasekara madam, and also Dulanka Lansakara madam. I have to mention Lalit Kumara sir and almost everyone from Sliet Anuradhapura who uplifted my language. So there, when I was doing my higher education, almost every day my lecturers insisted us, or else they advised us, they gave tips to use or to be very familiar with the second language. The second language means English language here. My mother tongue is Tamil. So they were really motivating and inspiring me to talk in English. So whenever we got time, wherever we went, even inside the buses when we were doing the higher education there, we were using English language. Inside the bus there were a group of people from different departments, but as English department, we were not trying to show off, we were not trying to boast, we just wanted to improve our English knowledge. So we selected a group of my friends who are very good at talking in English, and inside the group we were always using English. Even now, at this point even, I have friends who give calls and talk just only in English. They don't use their mother tongue. This improved a lot in acquiring the second language. Actually, whatever the language we use, it can be our mother tongue, it can be a second language. If you like to talk in a particular language, you have to talk in that one. You don't have to think of others. If anybody is saying that you are not using your mother tongue, you are using your second language and all, if they are telling like that, I have one thing to tell. Actually, our mother tongue is our mother tongue. It is always connected to our blood. Our mother is our mother. We don't put our mother back. Just as the same, our mother tongue has not to be trained and polished much. But being a second language learner, as a user of second language, I have to polish English language. I have to update my English language day by day. I have to read books. I have to watch documentaries. I have to listen to English news, songs, movies and all. If I am connected to the environment of that particular language only, I can become competent enough in English language. So here I would like to tell almost all the people who are shy of talking, who are shy of expressing themselves in the language they like. I have an advice, I have a tip for you all. Please avoid it. Don't be afraid of using your own gut. Okay, thank you so much. I think this video will help you a lot, or else at least a bit, to express yourselves using your own language. Thank you. Bye.